On the night of December 20th, 1995, American Airlines Flight 965, a Boeing 757, departed Miami for Cali, Colombia. On board were 155 passengers and crew. Only 4 would survive. The flight was routine until its final minutes. As the aircraft approached Colombian airspace, air traffic control cleared the crew for a direct approach to Cali, shortening the flight path. This change required rapid reprogramming of the aircraft's flight management system. Under time pressure, the crew selected a navigation fix labeled R, intending to navigate toward Rosso, a key waypoint near the runway. But the system instead selected Romeo, a fix located over 130 miles away. The aircraft immediately turned away from the airport toward the Andes. The error went unnoticed.
Copy that. Adjusting the MFD now.
As the crew tried to correct their course, multiple navigation changes were made quickly, increasing workload and confusion inside the cockpit. To regain the approach path, the pilots extended speed brakes and began descending without fully understanding their position relative to terrain. Moments later, the aircraft crossed into mountainous terrain at night with limited ground visibility. The ground proximity warning system suddenly activated. Terrain, pull up.
Check thrust, going around.
The crew reacted immediately, applying full thrust and pulling back on the controls. But the aircraft was already too low and too close. The Boeing 757 struck the side of Mount San José, killing 151 people instantly.
The fracture point is localized here.
The investigation revealed no mechanical
I have the
failure.
coordinates and a detailed shot of the serial number.
Instead, it exposed a deadly chain of human factors. Ambiguous waypoint naming in the navigation database. Inadequate situational awareness. High cockpit workload during a late-night descent. Over-reliance on automation without cross-checking raw navigation data. Lack of terrain awareness in a mountainous approach environment. The aircraft was fully functional. The warning systems worked. The engines responded. But the margin for error was gone. As a direct result of Flight 965, aviation authorities worldwide implemented changes. Improved FMS waypoint naming standards, wider adoption of enhanced ground proximity warning systems, revised approach procedures in mountainous regions, greater emphasis on automation management training. American Airlines Flight 965 did not fail because of a single mistake. It failed because small errors under pressure aligned perfectly. And in aviation, alignment is all it takes.
Learn more about aviation safety. Subscribe for more investigation videos.